asked question, sir, I am electrical engineer. Can I know about network or cyber security? If you belong to IT, if you belong to computer science, if you belong to electronics, if you belong to electrical, you can come in networking field. Why? In networking field, you will work not as a IT, you will work in software departments also. After CCNA, you can go, you can pursue about like voice, as well as you can go for telecom field, as well you can go for professional level. Repeat, no issues. Ethical hacking just involves the use of hacking tools, tricks and techniques to identify the vulnerabilities. Like अपने सिस्टम की सिक्योरिटी को इंश्योर करने के लिए हम ये काम कर रहे हैं. Yes. Yes. Similarly, as you were asking in chat, ethical hacker performs security assessments for the organization, you can say, for concerned authorities. Yes, Ganesh. If you are certified from EC Council and CEH version 10 certification you have, then it is best for you. And if you have CCNA certification, then it is also best for you. Yes. Any student asked about, sir, which company works in cyber security? Where can I get jobs in cyber security as well as in networking? First of all, I just want to explain there are some few best companies. If you want to go for networking part, go for Cisco. Cisco is a multinational company used in hardware devices. It works on routers and switches. If you want to go for server certification, go for Microsoft. If you want to go for cloud certification, then this time Cisco has its own cloud. But yes, Amazon Web Service is best at this time. And if you want to do ethical hacking, go for EC Council. Okay, after CCNA, what we can do? The student asked question about after CCNA, what to do? After CCNA, either you go for specific field like security, CCNA security, or CCNA voice, as well as another things. But if you want to become professional, then you can pursue CCNP. After that, you can go for expert exam, CCIE, Cisco Certified Internet Expert. One student asked that, sir, what is the highest qualification in Cisco? Sir, Cisco Architect is the best certification, but for that you will have to get experience. Yes. First of all, I just want to clear the doubt of one student, sir. What are the certification in cyber security? Okay, if you want to go for cyber security, then the topmost first certification is CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker. Okay, as you know, to penetrate the things. After CEH, you can go for Certified Information Security Manager. Okay, yes, another security certification is CompTIA Security. You can go for CCNA and CCNP Security. And the important cyber security certification is CISSP. That is the best certification in cyber security. Okay, Abhinav Bhardwaj sent some day ago, some Pakistani minister were on Zoom call that is hacked. Yes, sir, you can hack everything in that system. Kisi bhi system mein. Okay, one student asked that, sir, please tell me in Hindi language. Okay. उनका क्वेश्चन है कि सर पिछली बार पाकिस्तानी मिनिस्टर ने कहा था कि जूम कॉल के अंदर किसी ने सॉन्ग चला दिया था. आप कोई भी चीज हैक कर सकते हो अगर उसमें वल्नरेबिलिटी है. आपको वल्नरेबिलिटी ढूंढनी आनी चाहिए. इफ यू फाइंड द वल्नरेबिलिटी देन डेफिनेटली यू कैन डू हैकिंग. Okay, certificates. Yes, experience is more important, but certification helps you to get the job. For example, there are so many students. I think 73 participants in this time, and 100 participants will be there in 5 minutes. And 20 to 25 students ask a question about, sir, we just want to go abroad. Which certification is best for us to start career in networking? I always told to students that if you want to go for Canada, Australia or USA, then yes, CCNA is best for you. Yes. After CCNA, go for CCNP, or you can go for cybersecurity certification. Okay, student asked, what is CISA? Sir, CISA is Certified Information Security Auditor. That is also a cybersecurity certification. Yes. Okay. Besides this, personally, I am working as an IT manager as well as a security researcher in A2IT Online. Yes, A2IT Online is 20-year-old company. It is masters in networking and cybersecurity. We are working on networking projects as well as cybersecurity projects. Besides networking and cybersecurity, company is dealing with some software part like PHP, Java, .NET, as well as software testing and another things also. Yes. Okay, one student wants the recorded video of the session. Okay, no issues. We will share this recording video on YouTube. You can join our A2IT online channel on YouTube also. Okay, website is www.a2itonline.com. Yes, I'm coming to your point, Harish. I'm coming. If you just want recorded lecture, yes, we will provide you recorded lecture as well as we will provide you live classes also. All over India, students are participating in our workshop as well as they are taking training directly from their hometowns. Yes, right. Canada and Australia students are also. Just want to let you one more thing. Yes, we are dealing with the projects, specifically projects also, because company provides us projects and our team helps us to prevent their like viruses as well as another things. We are working in security researcher team. Yes. The question is from Rahul Kaushal. Rahul, if you already enrolled in computer networking and security course, just mail us on info@a2itsoft.com. We will provide you CCNA and cybersecurity course detail previously. So many students are asking about same question. Like, sir, CCNA and ethical hacking is same? No. CCNA and ethical hacking are the two different things. CCNA belongs to Cisco and ethical hacking belongs to EC Council. Like, it is the part of cyber security. CCNA is your like associate certifications in networking. Like you will need to know about LAN and WAN, IP addresses, routing, switching, troubleshooting. But in ethical hacking, you will learn about penetration testing, and after penetration testing, you can go for bug bounty and for another programs. Okay, what are the modules? Okay, in ethical hacking, you will learn about ethical hacking, footprinting, scanning networks, enumeration, like how to hack the system, what is the malware threats, what is sniffing, what is social engineering, DOS attacks, okay, session hijacking, web server hacking, web application hacking. But in CCNA, you will need to know about what is the design of network, IP address of network, routing, switching, and troubleshooting. Yes. Yes, Uday, definitely. We can, yes, we can take. उदय का एक क्वेश्चन है कि क्या क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सेशन इसके बाद की कोई टाइम में रख सकते हैं या वर्कशॉप में भी रख सकते हैं? यस, मैं पहले यही कह रहा हूं जी आपको, हम क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सेशन इसके बाद में करेंगे, ठीक है? पहले मैं आपको एक बार और से बता दूं, एक स्टूडेंट ने क्वेश्चन किया A2IT के बारे में, सर वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग फ्री कोर्स एज वेल एज पेड कोर्स. ओके, आई विल शो यू ऑन इंटरनेट. इफ यू जस्ट वांट टू से a2itonline.com पे जाके आप कोर्सेज अवेल भी कर सकते हो. देयर आर सो मैनी फिजिकल क्वेश्चंस आल्सो, लाइक प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस आल्सो आर देयर. ओके, आप फ्री कोर्सेज भी ले सकते हो. यू कैन गेट पेड कोर्सेज आल्सो. In free courses, you have to join our app. If you are using Android phone, just type A2IT in Play Store. Then you will get our website. Otherwise, ma'am, create one WhatsApp group. We will provide you that. One student asked that, sir, what is the job guarantee after CCNA? Okay, sir, job guarantees that you ask question that is good for us. If you just come for us with CCNA designing IP addressing. If you wanna go for, if you are a fresher and you are graduate, then we can provide you direct job offer after CCNA, because if you are looking to job in Chandigarh area, then 10 to 15,000 job is easy. Okay, but if you go for Bangalore, then definitely 25,000 and 30,000 job. Yes, you don't need any certification. You don't need any certification. 10 to 15,000 per month job is before certification. Certification is needed for some MNCs. Some companies require certification. Some companies do not require certification. Yes. Yes, after CCNA, only after CCNA course, which jobs? Sir, you can go for IT executive, you can go for technical support engineer, you can go for network administrator, you can go for NOC engineer in companies. Yes. 2 minutes I will explain. OSI is a reference model. You asked a question about, sir, which model we are using this time. Sir, we are using this time TCP IP model. This is called Department of Defense model. One student, Sujan, asked question about, sir, hub and switch works on same layer or different layer? Sir, if you follow OSI model, then they have 7 layers. Okay, physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, and software layers. But if you go for TCP IP models, they have 4 layers. Yes, that's why some students say, sir, hub and switch works on same layer in TCP IP model. This is right. But in OSI model, hub works on physical layer as well as switch works on data link layer. Right. Okay. Okay, yes, you can work for as a freelancer. You just ask question about Upwork and Elance. Okay, they provide you some projects. This is called freelancing projects. If you learn CCNA or cybersecurity, if you learn ethical hacking, you can make your account on Freelancer, Elance, and Upwork. You can directly check the project, the requirement of the project, and you can complete their project. They will provide you some money. Yes, in PayPal accounts. Yes, right. Okay, any other doubt in job certifications and another thing? Okay, right. I will show you original routers. I will show you original switch. Yes, you are right that CCNA, many institutions and many companies provide on Cisco Packet Tracer. Cisco Packet Tracer is just a simulator, right? GNS is also a simulator, but if you want to know, if you need to learn about original router and switch, I will show you our personal lab. In our company, we have original routers, we have original switches. I will show you. Just give me 5 minutes, 2 minutes, I will show you. Okay, so मुझे यहाँ से लैपटॉप उठाना पड़ेगा. अभी लैब में चलते हैं. Okay, this is just I was taking lecture. So if you just want to see our company, you can see. We are from Mohali and Chandigarh, A2IT Private Limited. We have 5,000 square feet area. We have so many labs, data center labs and another labs. But the question is from you that networking labs. So this is our networking lab. So this is our routers and switches. I think one student asked question about, sir, how we can directly work on router and switches. Sir, these are the live switches. These are the live switches. This is 2950 switch. These are the 1841 router. This is 2821 router. This one, yes. So if you want to become a network engineer, you have to work on this. Yes, these are IP phones also. Yes. And after that, you can see there are so many another devices are there. Yes. So student asked question about, sir, what are the meaning of these devices? If you directly work on these routers, then in company, you don't need to worry about everything. Online, yes, online Cisco Packet Tracer is best. Yes, sir. We use 2811 routers also. We also work on, just give me one time. I will sit and explain you about everything. Okay, one student asked question, sir, BCA, MCA, BCom, like BTech, or even if you are a simply graduate in arts, you can come for this course. This is best for you. This is not for ethical hacking. This is for CCNA and CCNP. Okay, Ramansh, I will definitely provide you one session. एक सेशन में पक्का मैं आपको लाइव हैकिंग भी दिखाऊंगा जल्दी ही, विद इन 5 to 10 days हम एक नया सेशन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. ये सेशन सिर्फ साइबर सिक्योरिटी और एथिकल हैकिंग और सीसीएन ने बताने के लिए है. मैं आपको लाइव हैकिंग करके दिखाऊंगा. आप रजिस्टर हो जाना, दोबारा से हम ये सारी चीजें करेंगे. लेकिन आज काफी सारे स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं यहाँ पे वो बेसिक स्टूडेंट हैं, इसलिए ओके डेफिनेटली. एक स्टूडेंट ने प्राइवेट मैसेज किया है, सर फेसबुक भी हैक करके दिखाना. यस, सो दिस इज द हार्डवेयर. IP phones is for voice. Firewalls that are on another side. Firewall in another side. Okay, and there are so many other device, Wi-Fi device, Fortinet firewalls, ASA firewalls, routers and switches. This is our IoT lab, but this is not today is Sunday, so workshop is on Sunday, so lab is closed. And this is IoT lab, and this is the embedded lab. So we have a great area about the workshops as well as our classrooms. But today's workshop is based on network and cyber security. So many students wants to learn about कि सर हमें अपने कंपनी के बारे में बताओ, हमें अपनी कंपनी के डिजाइन्स के बारे में बताओ. तो इसीलिए हमने ये आपको बताया है अभी. ओके, now if you have any questions, now you can ask questions. Yes, okay, अब मैं one by one सभी के questions के आंसर देता हूं जी. Okay, thank you. Okay, कौन सी लैंग्वेज जरूरी है? Which language is used to learn for hacking? Okay, पहला चीज, if you just want to learn programming in hacking, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and basic Python is used. If you already know about this language, it is enough for you. Okay, yes, one student asked question about certificate. Sir, if you come for courses for our company, certificate will be provided by A2IT. And if you want to do certification from Microsoft or Cisco, then we will provide you training, and also we will arrange a certification exam. We are also a Microsoft partner, as I already told you. Okay, तो हमारे यहाँ पे ही एग्जाम होते हैं, हम वो कंडक्ट ऑनलाइन भी करवाते हैं. ओके, यस. नो, हर्षित का क्वेश्चन है, सर इट इज ट्रू दैट 24 लाख पैकेज इज नॉट एक्चुअल ऑफ 24 लाख. ओके, मे बी ये क्वेश्चन पैकेज के अराउंड है सर. वैसे फ्रेशर को 24 लाख पैकेज हो जाता है. हमारे यहाँ पे चंडीगढ़ में भी यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं, चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी, अनदर कॉलेजेस आल्सो, चितकारा यूनिवर्सिटी, दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग, Amazon प्रोवाइडिंग पैकेजेस ऑफ 32 lakhs. तो ये हो जाता है. सर सर्टिफिकेट, Anuj ji, OSCP is offensive certificate and A2IT is our company. These both are different. BCA, BTech, BA, I already told you, आप सारे ये कर सकते हो. हाँ जी. और एक ने पूछा कितनी लैंग्वेज आप करना चाहते हो. ओके, मैं आपको एक बताना चाहता हूँ. If you want to start hacking, basic, if you know about Python and basic HTML, JavaScript, you can easily start. And if you want to go for like networking, then go for CCNA. Yes. Okay, live routers we have. Yes. Okay, certificate for workshop, no issues. We are providing workshop participation certificate also. Yes sir, yes, you will get easily. Okay, recorded class I will provide you on YouTube, and I will send the link on YouTube, and you can get knowledge from there. And if you have any doubt, then further you can come for like demo class also, because 5 to 7 student ask about demo class of CCNA, so we will provide a demo class also. Yes, yes, yes. ओके जितने भी स्टूडेंट का डाउट 6 मंथ ट्रेनिंग एंड इंटर्नशिप का है, मैं आपके चैट बॉक्स में फॉर्म सेंड कर देता हूं, रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म। आप आ सकते हो, पहले डेमो ले सकते हो, उसके बाद ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। यस यस, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। ओके, व्हाट आर द वेरियस जॉब, basic jobs? Okay, one student asked, sir, I don't have any knowledge about anything, like I'm clear. Okay, agar sir answer me in Hindi language please. Okay, अगर आपके पास कोई भी स्किल नहीं है और आप ग्रेजुएट हो, तो भी आप हमारे पास आ सकते हो, ठीक है। आपको हम प्रोवाइड करेंगे ट्रेनिंग। अगर आप ग्रेजुएट हो, आपका कोई बैकलॉग नहीं है, तो हम आपको इंटर्नशिप बेस्ड ट्रेनिंग भी प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं। यस यस, इंटर्नशिप के लिए आई विल सेंड यू लिंक, आई विल सेंड यू लिंक। ओके, इफ यू वांट टू गेट एक्सपीरियंस, व्हाट इज पेन टेस्टिंग? पेन टेस्टिंग इज द पार्ट ऑफ सीईएच। लाइक आपने क्या करना है, आपने किसी वेबसाइट के अंदर से वल्नरेबिलिटी फाइंडिंग करनी है, टेस्टिंग करनी है। यस 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 यस। अंजू ने काफी देर से आंसर किया। अंजू आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन, आई थिंक शी टाइप क्वेश्चन 4 or 5th टाइम। Okay, if you have completed your BTech in CSC, then go for CEH courses as well as cybersecurity, any cybersecurity certification. But for police department, you have to go for some government exams. I don't know about government exams, but technically in cybersecurity, if you know about CCNA as well as CEH, then you can go for that. Yes. Okay. Yes, we are providing placement assistance also, and we are providing placements also. Not only assistance, we are providing placements also. If you are near, sir, if you belong to Punjab, Himachal, Haryana, and you can come in Chandigarh, then after CCNA course, definitely off-campus job, we can provide you about 10 to 12,000, 15,000 as an intern. एंड रियली सॉरी जिनके मैं आंसर अभी तक नहीं दे पाया। एक्चुअली बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस मेरे पास आ गए। डेफिनेटली मैं इन सारे क्वेश्चंस को क्या करूंगा, मैं कॉपी कर लेता हूं इन्हें, इनके मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिए हैं जूम में, ठीक है, और मैं इनको कॉपी करके रख चुका हूं यहाँ पे। तो डेफिनेटली मैं एक यूट्यूब के ऊपर वीडियो बनाऊंगा इस कोर्सेज के लिए और आपके क्वेश्चंस के लिए, जिन्होंने भी क्वेश्चन किए हैं, ठीक है। तो मैं आपको आंसर वहां पे दे दूंगा, क्योंकि काफी स्टूडेंट्स के मैसेज आ रहे हैं, सर मैंने क्वेश्चन किया, आपने आंसर नहीं दिया, एंड यू हैव नॉट गिवन वन सिंगल आंसर अबाउट इट। रियली सॉरी, क्योंकि टाइम थोड़ा कम था तो आंसर नहीं दे पाया। फिर भी जितनी कोशिश हो रही है, मैं सारे आंसर आपको लाइव वर्कशॉप में ही दे देता हूँ। Yes, in Cisco you can get job about technical support engineer. So if you want to go for another technologies like CCNP, CCI, architect level, it's up to you. It is best for you. MTech in cybersecurity is best. Yes. Yes. Nice to meet you too, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's great for us. Thank you. Thank you so much. सौरभ शिंदे जी का क्वेश्चन है, सर एक बार आप रिपीट कर दोगे कि सीसीएनए के अलावा और कौन कौन से कोर्सेज आप प्रोवाइड करते हो या क्या क्या चीजें? सर वैसे जहां जिस ग्रुप के अंदर आप ऐड हो उसमें भी है। माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के अंदर सिर्फ नेटवर्क के लिए हम नहीं प्रोवाइड करते सर्टिफिकेशन, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में हम पाइथन के ऊपर भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं, HTML PHP HTML के ऊपर, और सिक्योरिटी के अंदर भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं। सिस्को के अंदर हम CCNA CCNP में भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं। और उसके अलावा इसी काउंसिल से हम CEH और CHA का भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं। हाँ जी, ओके। सौरभ ने एक क्वेश्चन किया, और प्राइस क्या क्या है उनके? सर प्राइस वैसे मैंने आपको ऑन एंड एवरेज बता दिया। आई एम ए टेक्निकल पर्सन। अगर आपको सारे कोर्सेज के प्राइसेस पता करने हैं तो आप हमारे काउंसलर से बात कर सकते हो, ठीक है। आप हमारे यहाँ पे जो A2IT ऑनलाइन का लिंक है मैंने आपको बताया, रजिस्ट्रेशन में आप रजिस्टर कर सकते हो। यस सर, ये मुझे एग्जैक्ट फीसिस के बारे में नहीं पता, बट हमारे जो कोर्सेज हैं वो हमारे 7-8 हजार से स्टार्ट होके 40,000 तक, 40 to 50,000 तक अलग अलग है। हाँ, कोर्सेज की जो ड्यूरेशन है, जैसे CCM में आप 30 to 45 डेज में कर सकते हो। यस, वीकडे और वीकडे दोनों बैच अवेलेबल हैं। अगर आप 45 डेज में करना चाहते हो, चंद्रशेखर जी ने क्वेश्चन पूछा है, तो आप 2 आवर्स, 1.5 से 2 घंटे की क्लास डेली लो, ठीक है, तब आप 45 डेज में कर पाओगे। यस, उसके अलावा राइट सर, राइट, वीकेंड पे भी आप कर सकते हो, वीकडे के ऊपर भी आप कर सकते हो। यस, फ्री कोर्सेज, यस, आप सर जाएं, वहां पे हमारे जो A2IT ऐप है, यू कैन गो फॉर A2IT ऐप, यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट सम फ्री कोर्सेज एज वेल एज पेड कोर्सेज आर देयर। मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है, हम अपने कोर्सेज की वीडियोस भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल, वन स्टूडेंट आस्क्ड मी अबाउट जावा एंड पाइथन। सर हम जावा के अंदर भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं, ठीक है, जावा के साथ भी कोर्सेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं, ठीक है। Definitely, we will share our upcoming webinar, internship and fee status and paid courses in WhatsApp group. Definitely, we will share. Sir, Microsoft certification given by, sir, Microsoft Technology Associate, Microsoft से ही आएगा। Training we will provide you, but certificate direct from Microsoft, online exam होगा उसका, हम प्रोवाइड करेंगे। जैसा मैंने पहले बताया है, सिर्फ MTA का जो ऑनलाइन कोर्स आपको USA वाला दिख रहा है, हम उससे भी 50% डिस्काउंट प्रोवाइड करते हैं, ठीक है। वो सारी चीजें आपको बता दी जाएंगी। यस, डेफिनेटली आई विल शेयर इन WhatsApp ग्रुप। थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट लाइव सेशन वी विल प्रोवाइड यू। लाइव सेशन के लिए आपको रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा। एक बार मैं आपको दोबारा शेयर कर देता हूं स्क्रीन, A2ITonline.com। ओके, तो बहुत अच्छा सेशन था जी, आपसे बात करके बहुत मजा आया। बाकी मैंने अपना कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर आपको भेज दिया है, ठीक है, आप कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हो, और कोई भी क्वेरी है आप हमारी वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हो। थैंक यू सो मच। मैं लाइव हैकिंग क्लास भी जल्दी से जल्दी आपको प्रोवाइड करूंगा। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू।